Hello everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm so excited to have you here today. We're diving into another fascinating English word that's sure to enrich your vocabulary. Today's word is aid, a B2 level noun that means help or support. Let's start by breaking it down. Aid refers to assistance given to someone in need, whether it's physical help, emotional support, or even financial assistance. For example, you might hear someone say, "The organization provided aid to the families affected by the flood." It's a word that you can use in a wide variety of contexts, making it incredibly versatile. Now, let's talk about some synonyms for aid. Words like assistance, help, and support are commonly used as substitutes. For instance, she received financial assistance from her friends, or the team offered their support during the difficult project. These words carry similar meanings and are perfect for adding variety to your speech or writing. On the flip side, we have antonyms for aid. Words like obstruction, hindrance, and impediment express the opposite meaning. For example, the delay was a major hindrance to completing the project on time, or the strict rules acted as an impediment to progress. These words show situations where help is absent or obstacles are present. So how can we use aid in everyday life? You might use it when talking about lending a hand to a friend, supporting a good cause, or even describing tools that make tasks easier. For instance, this app is a great aid for learning new languages, or they sent medical aid to the affected regions after the disaster. It's a practical word you can weave into conversations to show how assistance is given or received. Here are a few more examples of aid in sentences. The charity event was organized to provide aid to underprivileged children. She used a walking stick as an aid after her surgery. The government announced a new package of financial aid for small businesses. To wrap up, today we explored the word aid, which means help or support. We covered its definition, synonyms like assistance and help, antonyms such as hindrance and obstruction, and several examples of how to use it in everyday language. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the Hello Word podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Before we go, I'd love to hear your take on the word aid. Create your own sentence using aid and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks again for listening, and I'll catch you next time on Hello Word.